Hello everyone, myself is Hemanshi and I'm here I teach, I'm a TGT Mathematics and a PGT Commerce with Maths. I teach accountancy, business studies, eco and maths for the 11th and 12th class, and till 10th I teach maths and science. And a French language, which is a foreign language, I have been teaching very long. I have a teaching experience of an 8 years and I'm a school teacher. I have been a school teacher also and in one of the institute, and today I will be teaching a topic of a ninth class mathematics topic, which is Introduction to the Polynomial. That's the second chapter. Before starting with the polynomial, we have to learn the words, some of the basic terms, that is the word term. Term means which has two parts. One is the variable, the other is a constant. Variable, by the literal meaning of variable, that it can change. It can put any value. If I say Rita's age is X years, it means that it can take any value, 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 25, I don't know. Okay, it can take any. That's all this variable. We don't know the age. So let us suppose her age be X years. But when I say Rita's age is 20 years, that means that her age is fixed 20 years. We know that. We can't change it 20 to 21 on our own. So that's a fixed. So variable means that can change. We can put any value. A constant remains the same. So the term means which has basically two components. That's a variable and a constant. Okay. Now on the basis of the terms, we have division of the expressions, algebraic expression, as 4. Monomial. You can see the example 2x. When there's only one term, that means it's a 2x. So that's a monomial. Binomial, when there are two terms, that's called 2x plus 5 in the example. Trinomial, when we have a three terms, 3x square minus 2x plus 5. Polynomial more than 5, that is called a polynomial. So polynomial is a chain of terms which have a value, which have a term more than 3. Then it becomes a polynomial. Next for it is like, we are moving to the next portion. Okay, the next topic, which is more important in the minor topics, but it becomes a major help to our major concepts of polynomial. That's a degree. Degree means the highest power, the highest exponent of the polynomial, on the basis of which we have a division: linear, quadratic, cubic. A linear polynomial means which have a degree as 1. Can you see that there is an ax plus b? The x has nothing but a degree of 1. That's called linear. Quadratic, a degree of 2. When there is the highest power in the polynomial is 2, then it's a quadratic. Then you have a cubic, that is your degree as 3. So we have a division. On the basis of it, when we are allowed, like this concept will come in the later chapter, to find out the solution, roots or zero of the polynomial. Okay, which means that the degree shows that how many solution we will have of that polynomial. If it's a linear polynomial, then we have a solution as 1. The value of x will come as 1. When the degree is 2, or it's a quadratic polynomial, then the solution will be 2. When it's a cubic, then the answer, then the solution, then the zeros of the cubic polynomial will be 3. This is what is there, which you will study in the later concept.